One aspect of sewing most fashion designers don't enjoy is the fixing of a zipper. And that is why you are seeing this video, because it's going to teach you how to fix a zipper neatly on your skirt. Previously, I have shown how to fix it on a dress or a shirt, but this one is on a skirt. If you watched my last video, you will see that I had made the skirt already, but I just wanted to take out this time to show you how I fix the zipper. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, I do appreciate you. Without any further ado, let's continue with the video. You can actually do this in two ways, either making the skirt fully before fixing your zipper, or you can do it in this pattern I did. As you can see, I have not joined the two panels yet. I only just use my office pin to pin the part where the zipper will be, and that's me just using my chalk to mark along the line where I put my office pin. So I will just be putting my zipper, I think this is 8 inches zipper, and that is how it's gonna be, making it like straight, neat. Then I will go ahead to use my office pins to pin it down. Well, some people may say it is for the apprentice or for those starting to sew for the very first time. It doesn't really matter if you are just sewing or you've been sewing. You can follow this pattern. It's obviously very easy. Another way you can easily do this is, instead of making use of your chalk, you can just fold it along that line and use your hot iron to iron it flat. It will produce a line. So that is the line you will place your zipper. But if you cannot lay your hands on your iron, you can just make use of your chalk and your ruler to rule that line, and that is where you are going to be facing the zipper. So I'll just be doing the same thing on the other side. It's quite easy. When I was done drawing the lines, I just placed my zipper that way, following that line I marked. I will just be pinning the zipper along that line. I'll do it for this side, then I will stitch down. When I'm done, I'll also stitch down the other side. So simple. When pinning down, it's advisable you take your time because you want to do a perfect job. So just take your time. If it's not aligning properly, you rearrange it. So that's how it will be. Now that I'm done pinning one side of the zipper, I'll just be taking it to my sewing machine to stitch down. So while stitching down, you can just be removing your office pin, or you can better still stitch on it. It will not affect your needle if you do it carefully. I actually made this part slow so that you will see how easy it is to stitch. I didn't make use of my zipper foot in this video. Yeah, this is a universal foot. Like I said in one of my videos, you can actually use any of the two, but it's advisable to use a zipper foot. But if you are now a pro or you can easily fix a zipper, even a universal foot will do justice. So this is a universal foot that I'm using to stitch down my zipper. When I was done stitching down, I went ahead to stitch down the other side of the zipper. You may not necessarily use your pins to hold it down. Just follow that line you drew and yeah, it will come out nice. I am done stitching the zipper. I'll just be folding that upper part that way to stitch down, and I don't think this one is difficult at all. So you can just stitch it down so that it doesn't look funny. I'll do for the two sides of the zipper. Ladies and gentlemen, I am done fixing the zipper on my skirt. This was so easy to make. So I believe now you won't have challenges fixing a zipper on your skirt or your dress or your shirt, because I think this tutorial did justice to it. I forgot to snap the back part of my skirt, but by looking at it, you will know that it came out nice. You can see it looks flat, it looks equal. You too can try this, follow this pattern, and you will see that you will no longer have phobia for fixing zipper on your dresses or your skirts. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed yet, please do. Don't also forget to like, comment, and share this video. See you all. Bye.